Motions hearings this week in the trial of the accused Capital Gazette gunman shed light on his defense strategy. WJZ is live in Annapolis. Paul Gessler is outside the court where the judge will look at surveillance video of the attack. Paul?
Hi, Vic. Yes, and Judge Laura Ripken is about to watch that video in her chambers right now. She is expected to make a decision in this case as to whether to restrict video during the trial, as Ramos's defense team moved to only allow still pictures of the attack that killed 5 Capital Gazette employees. In motions hearings Tuesday, attorneys for Jared Ramos argued against allowing surveillance video of the 2018 attack on the Capital Gazette, in which 5 newspaper employees were killed. Gerald Fishman, Rob Hyacin, John McNamara, Rebecca Smith, and Wendy Winters were killed at the Capital Gazette offices. The defense says surveillance video could prejudice the jury, calling the video disturbing. Prosecutors responded, "This crime is disturbing." A rampage, prosecutors argue, which starts with Ramos at the front door, hair pulled back in a ponytail, as it was Tuesday in court. Earplugs in, checking his gun's scope. The state's attorney says this helps show Ramos's intent. Judge Laura Ripken is expected to review the video Tuesday night and rule on its use Wednesday. At issue, additionally, is Ramos's plea of not criminally responsible, Maryland's version of the insanity defense. It has not yet been officially filed, as the court is expected to hear in more detail this week on his mental health evaluations. Back live now here in Annapolis. That has something to do with the fact that there are 2 stages of this trial. One on the guilt or innocence of Ramos, the other on criminal responsibility should a guilty verdict be returned. Now, in an unprecedented move, last week a jury pool of 300 people actually came here to the courthouse in Annapolis in advance of later this month the jury selection to answer a questionnaire from both the state and defense attorneys. Now, coming up at 5, what we can expect out of tomorrow's hearings here in Annapolis, and that's where we are reporting live this afternoon. Paul Gessler for WJZ.